Trabaho tayo, trabaho. Finals eh. Ha? Finals. Kaya kaya mo matulog. Yo, salamat yun. Doon lang matagal. Patay natin ito. Napudol mo yung mga teacher eh.
Bibigyan mo ng kape, no?
Pinatuwa ng Pansit Canton eh. Kami yung nahihirapan eh. Puta, may masisilip. Puta, dirarani ha. Kaya rin ba yung ano? Yung ano natin? Digital scorecard. Kay Coach Pong. Ikaw na natin. Rinig ka dito. Ha? Rinig ka dito.
Being a winner is a curse. It doesn't matter how much you've won before. You're not a winner until you win again. And again, and again. Nothing is enough. No one understands. And you never want it to stop.
Yung buga mainit, di ba?
Foul number 21. Alvin Marado.
Hindi ka pala ng 2 minutes. 2 minutes ka ba?
That's it.
Mainit lang talaga.
Community, this is Lala, your courtside bestie here at Brittany Basketball League. Of course, Sunday game day tayo and nandito tayo ngayon with Mr. Compañero number 78, yung best player of the game natin with 22 points, 6 assists, 16 rebounds, and 1 steal. Grabe yung rebounds natin, sir. Kamusta naman po tayo? Medyo mainit, malinsangan, pero laban. Kamusta, sir?
I'm fine and happy because this is our first win. Sa wakas, nanalo kami.
Ayun, congratulations. Well-deserved, sir. So, ano yung mga naging game plan natin for this game? Kasi first and second quarter, medyo alanganin tayo. Pero pagka third and fourth quarter, talagang tinambakan niyo yung kalaban. Ano yung game plan natin doon, sir?
Actually, our game plan is communicate each other, each players, know the rules, the roles, and of course, teamwork. Gameplay namin, medyo limited lang, but nagagawa pa rin namin. Yun lang ang naging namin.
Okay, tama. Teamwork makes the dream work, ika nga. Pero sir, ano yung isa pa? Ano yung pinaka-highlight ng game na ito? Dahil na-mention mo din kanina, ito yung first ever win ninyo. Ano yung highlight? Ayun na po ba?
Alright, I think the highlight is communication each other and of course, the application of passing and of course, siguro lucky. Being lucky today because all of my teammates naka-points kaming lahat. Yun. At first win namin, yun ang memorable sa akin ngayon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So, shout out tayo, sir. Sino mga gusto mong ibate?
Alright, first of all, I would like to greet the commissioners, the organizers of the BBL, and of course, Sophie and Fleur. Hi sa inyong lahat dyan, and of course, my teammates there, and Boss Emer, panalo na tayo ngayon. And yung dalawa kong teammate na makulit sa likod, yung Jade Stone players, si Kuya J-Res at saka si Michael, and of course, our enthusiast and handsome photographer and videographer, JC. Yeah.
Na-shout out pa yung ating handsome photographer and videographer, ika nga, sir. Sir, thank you so much. Congratulations. At dito, meron tayong Swiss Republic perfume, of course, sponsored by them. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Congratulations. So, Swiss Republic, nasa SM Fairview po. Pwede po ninyong siyang puntahan at bilhin ng mga preferred and best-selling perfumes nila. This is Lala, your bestie at court. See you on our next game. Thank you so much for our best player of the game. For our game 4, now we have here the captain or the coach of the winning team, Sir Datu, number 19. Sir, kamusta naman po ang araw ninyo kahit mainit?
Yun, mainit. Pagod.
Pagod.
Kasi kami.
Pero nailaban.
Ako nailaban naman.
Yun. So sir, how did you motivate your players? Gaya ng sabi ko sa volleyball player natin this game, medyo natambakan tayo ng first and second quarter. Pero ano, yung mga naging game plan at adjustments natin, bakit tayo nanalo sa third and fourth quarter?
Ante, sabi ko lang sa kanila, i-dire-diretso lang yung depensa. Tsaka, wag mamadaliin. Set ng play lang. Yun.
Alright. So sir, anong na-identify mo na shortcomings o mga pagkukulang ng game ng team ninyo at yung mga in-improve nyo rin?
Before kasi wala bumababa eh. Dahil sobrang pagod na. Since 6 to 8 players lang umaattend sa amin. Ngayon medyo dumami na. So, mas nakakapahinga na yung iba.
Thank you so much, sir. So, shout out sa mga gusto mong batiin.
Shout out kay Okix. No. Yun lang. Wala na.
Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations.